So, I start clearing this out, and he waits to tell me that he's going to go borrow his buddy's tractor to get all this out. Look at this mess. Switch trees, privet hedge. Oh, I'm going to get my tree back. And then this is going in here. Look at this mess. And that's going to go too. The dog next door is kind of a lunatic. No, you don't have to tell me. Zilly, get out of there. Dummy. You didn't hook it, dummy. Out here with a bad knee and a bad elbow and still doing honeydew. I know, it's weird. All your bushes are gone, but we left your mimosa. We left your tree. We left your mimosa tree. That's where you get all your shade. Yeah? What is it? What is it? I know. It's just disturbing your peace. Boosh, that's how you get rid of privet hedge. Look at that. You can see the tree finally. There's one more over there on the other side of the tree. But that'll be it for them. Them. The way the traffic sounds. Got a little bit of stuff to do here, but I want you to look. Didn't see that tree today. Sorry for the bounces. I ain't got my gimbal. Oh yeah. I can get them other ones at the loppers. Like you can hear me. last of the big bushes under that tree is gone. And I created a bigger mowing space. Because right there, where my dog's head is where I had to, that's where the end of the, well actually about 2 feet. Right there is about where I had to stop mowing because there were so many switch trees. Oh, there's mosquitoes. It's February and there's mosquitoes biting me. That's huts. Leave them bunny rabbits alone.